it will not damage. Like that is the main specialty. There are several electronics chips mounted in the PCB. There are two types of thermal heads available in the market. Hi friends, we pleased to introduce you a thermal printer for your retail billing application. There are several thermal printers in the market. Among previous printers, this printer having a significant specialty. There is a brief story behind it. When I traveled to China to see thermal printer factories and manufacturers, I discovered an extensive range of printers that were both inexpensive and attractive. Then I questioned the manufacturer in China why this Epson printer is so costly in India and throughout the world. The manufacturer response was telling. She said that there are two types of thermal heads available in the market. One produced in China and the other one is Japanese. They claimed that both work perfectly, but Japanese printer head has a unique advantage and the price is also considerable. Also, the printer head life is quite long. I told Chinese manufacturer that I need Japanese thermal head for my brand since I don't want to sell low quality products in China. Even the price is little high, I want to give best quality product for Indian market. I returned to PCB again. Since there are numerous high quality PCB manufacturers in China, there are several electronics chips mounted in the PCBA. Some quality chips have been tested in temperature ranging from minus 30 to plus 60 degrees Celsius. Those chips are now again pricey. I returned to thermal printer body again. The body is casted using injection molding technology. For injection molding, there are two types of chemicals available: fresh chemicals and recycled chemicals. The recycled chemicals are relatively cheap in price. The China manufacturer stands that in China many manufacturers are using the recycled chemicals for this kind of hardware production line. I stands that I need to apply chemicals first, since even if I drop down from a certain height, it should not break. That's the main concern that I mentioned with the manufacturer. Finally, we introduced Raintech printer. The printer is quite durable, beautiful. Even it falls from a certain height, it will not damage. Like that is the main specialty. And the main specialty is that the print quality is highly crisp and deep. We guarantee that your Raintech printer will work very nice for at least 10 years for your retail business. And again, we will look after the connectivity and all. Like here in the backside, you can see the power supply port, and there is a the cache drawer provision is there, and a USB connection is there. There is a LAN port is there, and here is this one push open mechanism is there, very smooth opening, like one push. And here there is an on-off switch. You can find it over here, and the beautiful in design, like it looks very nice. And here you can find this Japanese-made auto cut mechanism and 50 paper roll. You can insert it directly, and you can keep it like that, and you can start doing your printing. This is a beautiful, simple, and easy technology. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.